Hey guys, Star here. If you're an agency owner and you're looking to scale your business, you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to show you how you can use a competitor analysis to actually generate new business or to show your existing clients the work that you've done to help them compete amongst their local competitors. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, we're simply going to go ahead and click on reputation. Once you click on reputation, we're going to see right under overview, competitor analysis. You want to make sure to add your business, so you will see an option to add your business. You'll just go ahead and search for your business. If you need to, click edit, it'll go ahead and populate. From there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to search for our competitors. So we can actually add up to 3 competitors, which is amazing because if you're doing lead generation, you might want to show the local business where they're currently ranking against their competitors. If it's an existing client, then you can show them the work that you've done to help improve their business ranking. So let's go ahead and click on Add Competitor. And we're just going to search for a local business in their area that we can show them for the competitor analysis. So just go ahead and search, and then you can go ahead and click on that option, and you can click Add Competitor. Now you'll see that we have the original business along with the competitor. So we'll go ahead and add another competitor, and we'll go ahead and click on another competitor, and we'll click Add Competitor, and you can add a third competitor. So we're just going to go ahead and search for another competitor in that area local to them and hit enter, and then you'll be able to select that third competitor, and then we'll click Add to add it. Now you can see that we have the local business that you want to support against the 3 competitors, and you can see what their reputation score is, their average rating, the number of reviews they have, the average response time, and the response rate. This is great because you can see here that the average rating might be lower for the business that you're serving, or they may have less reviews than their competitors. And so you'll be able to use this to actually show them a competitive analysis against their local competition. Now, you'll have a competitive landscape grid, which is great. Now, do note that it is taking a moment to populate, but the analysis is in progress, and you'll be able to have that landscape grid to show your competitors. You'll be able to discover keywords and what they reveal against the business that you're ranking for versus your competitors. There's also a heat map option here, and we have rating by source. This is wonderful because you can pull in the rating for that business against the competitors for Google, Facebook, Yelp, and other top search engines. Now this is great because you can see where your competitors might be outranking in terms of performance on which platform, and efforts can be driven to increase the reputation for the business that you're working on. And the great thing about it is that once you've uploaded this information, it'll automatically be refreshed regularly. This means that you can set it and forget it, and anytime you need to go in, you can see what the current ratings are for that business against the competitors. So go ahead and start using the competitor analysis today. This is only going to help your agency. This can help you with the client acquisition in addition to reducing churn with your existing clients.